It will cost the government 30 billion naira to build IPP that will be generating light for Ukwuani people. But the government of Nigeria have refused to build that IPP for Ukwuani people. Instead, they awarded a contract of 59.7 billion naira to construct a flyover in Abo. Between building a flyover in Abo and giving Ukwuani people that don't have lights for 20 years a step down that will give them light, which one of them is more important? Project of 30 billion, una leave am. Una come bring a project of 59.7 billion naira. That one I just wrote though. Ukwuani people have been living in darkness for so many years. Delta State government not send Ukwuani people. Governor Sheriff of Delta State is busy building Warri, building Roboland. Most of the projects that was awarded to this Delta State, now Roboland, if they carry all those projects, they go. That is politics. When you get the opportunity, build your place. Okowa became the governor of Delta State and he used that opportunity to change the College of Education in Abo to University of Delta State, Abo, which is Unidel. Okowa moved the campus of medicine to his community, Owa Kingdom. See as he carried development go in place. He gave Ika people a university. He took a faculty to Owa Kingdom. Ika people have good roads. They have light. Ika people have all these things because their son Okowa, who was the governor of Delta State in the past, brought all these developments to them. Now achievements. But our own Ukwuani sons and daughters, where they occupy power for so many years, they not fit give Ukwuani people good road. They not fit give Ukwuani people lights. Nothing good whether they carry come Ukwuani land. As Ukwuani politicians, they neglect Ukwuani people. Why federal government not go neglect Ukwuani people? Are you telling me that the federal government of Nigeria does not have the power to give Ukwuani people light through IPP? Ukwuani politicians, now to just they call them honorable, these people does not have what it takes to bring development to Ukwuani land. This is the reason why Senator Ned Nwoko is agitating for Anioma State. So that if Ukwuani people they talk say they no get lights, federal government go dey listen. Say, see how this state big oh, this huge landmass for this Anioma State, they not get light oh, they go start to the chook mouth for the matter. Like play, they go give Ukwuani people light. Ika people they get light, Oshimiri and Anancha people they get light, but Ukwuani people not they get light. It's so shameful. The politicians of we Ukwuani people are not doing anything about it. No single development in Ukwuani land. If you enter Ukwuani land, you go see things for yourself. There is no development in Ukwuani land. No light in Ukwuani land. No good schools in Ukwuani land. No job, no employment in Ukwuani land. No federal university, no state university, no federal college of education, no state college of education, no federal polytechnic, no state polytechnic, no federal hospital, no state hospital in Ukwuani land. Ukwuani land just dey. And when we are telling Ukwuani people to support the creation of Anioma State, some of them go to say, they no one join artists. Instead of them to join artists, may they not get the states. You dey suffer, but if you see opportunity to escape suffering, instead of you to escape that suffering, you go dey fight that opportunity just to remain in suffering. Now wetin dey worry some of our Ukwuani people. Any Ukwuani person where they against the creation of Anioma State at the South zoning, that Ukwuani person not mean well for Ukwuani people. That Ukwuani person is suffering from ignorance. Federal government not gree give una lights worth 30 billion naira, but they are busy constructing flyover in Abo. They don't send Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people now them they feed Delta State oh, now them they feed Nigeria oh. Do you know how many crude oil wells and gas deposits that we have in Ukwuani land? The most important land to the federal government of Nigeria in Anioma land is Ukwuani land. The federal government of Nigeria cherish Ukwuani land more than every Igbo speaking region in Anioma land. But they don't value Ukwuani people. They don't value Ukwuani people because our politicians there are not up and doing. If you disturb federal government, they will give you that thing where you want. That is politics. Politics is a game of interest. Ukwuani people, what is your interest? As he be say, Delta State, South, no favor we Ukwuani people. Let's join our brothers in the Southeast. The Southeast is the only way that we Anioma people can get Anioma State. The most important thing to we Ukwuani people now is to make sure that we get Anioma State. Because through Anioma State, we will benefit more. Government of Delta State will not fit fight to see say Ukwuani people get light. Now them go fight for Ukwuani people to get federal university. Now them go fight for Ukwuani people to get federal poly. Ukwuani people are only good in complaining. We not get this one, we not get this one. Do we Ukwuani people have like mind in Ukwuani politics that will be propagating that thing to the federal government for that thing that we want to come to us? No. Ezechi they not do anything. The deputy governor of Delta State, Monday Oyeme, he's not doing anything. Since Monday Oyeme became the deputy governor of Delta State, tell me agenda where they pursue where Ukwuani people they support them. Ezechi that they represent Ukwuani people for Federal House of Reps. Tell me waiting in the champion for that place. Tell me bill where he submits for that place where Ukwuani people they champion. None. Northerners are there sponsoring bills to actualize something. Even if that thing where they champion to get is against Southern Nigeria, they are still championing it to get that thing. That is politics. As Ukwuani not get light, so Nnamdi Ezechi suppose they sponsor bill for Ukwuani people to get light. Not they wait make it say now people go come online they thought they will not get light. Nnamdi Ezechi go House of Reps, they sponsor this bill. Make we Ukwuani people they propagate this, they make light come Ukwuani land. You not go feed one. All you know how to do is signing against the Southeast zone of Anioma State. You don't feel big development come give Ukwuani people, but you are good in signing documents. Ukwuani people support the creation of Anioma State. Let's grow Ukwuani land. If you know the importance of having a state, you will know that Senator Nwoko is really trying. Those Ukwuani people that are saying what have Senator Nwoko done for Ukwuani people, have it in mind that Anioma State actualization will be the biggest thing that Senator Nwoko have done for Ukwuani people. Not only that, Ukwuani people will benefit more through Anioma State. The voice of Ukwuani people will be heard. Anything whether they give state for this country, Ukwuani people will they benefit from that thing. Ukwuani people support the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Make we not allow this opportunity to pass us by. Anything where my Ukwuani people get with Senator Nwoko, let's keep that thing aside. Work together with Senator Nwoko and make sure we get this Anioma State. That is how to play politics. Not talk say you and this person not dey in good terms. Say you and this person dey quarrel. The person won't come do something where go favor all of us. You can't talk say because of this thing when you do. Say I don't want support them. That is wrong. That is not how to play politics. And that is the problem that we are facing in the South. Northerners, if they want play politics, they go put their differences behind. They don't care whether they dey APC, whether they dey PDP, whether they dey Labour Party. When it comes to actualize something in the North, you go see all Northerners go come together with one mind, actualize that thing. If they look for presidency, they go make sure say they get that presidency. Whether the person they come from APC or PDP, they go make sure say na their person be the president of Nigeria. That is how Northerners play politics. Make we Southern Nigeria learn that politics. As Senator Nwoko wan give us Anioma State, Ukwuani people make una stop to the door say na PDP dey, we and dem quarrel, one carry us go Southeast. Get Anioma State. That is the most important thing. Let's get Anioma State that we have been agitating for since 1938. Ukwuani people, we need this Anioma State the most. Project of 30 billion, they leave them. They do project of 59.7 billion naira. That project where they do for Abo now, we not concern Ukwuani people. That flyover in Abo will add nothing to the welfare of Ukwuani people. Nothing won't give Ukwuani people with that flyover where they build for Abo. There are so many roads in Ukwuani land that have spoiled. Yet, government not see those roads for Ukwuani land to do. Then they build flyover. So that if the video they fly over finish, they go they talk say we have achieved something, we work something. The only thing that Nigeria government knows how to do is building roads. You no go hear say they build so company where they do phone. You no go hear say they build so factory where they do this thing. You no go ever hear say they build so factory where they couple car. You no go ever hear say they do so thing where they go employ thousands of youths make they work. The only thing where Nigeria government know how to do now to they do road, to they do flyover. It's so shameful. This is why Africa is backward. China they build factories, industries. African politicians are there building roads. If you talk, what have this governor achieved since he became the governor? Now road you go show. He built the road of this place. He did the road of this place. He did the road of that place. Failures everywhere. Ukwuani people don't get light when they do flyover. They don't get road when they do flyover. They don't get job when they do flyover. They don't get federal state university when they do flyover. No state and federal project in Ukwuani land when they do flyover. Ukwuani people support the creation of Anioma state or else. Now complain. We will complain for this Delta state. Let's get Anioma state and join our brothers in the southeast. We and our southeast brothers are one people. Ukwuani people, we must never lose this chance. Eka people, Oshime and Anocha people, you people should listen. As I tell Ukwuani people, I tell now also. Let's support the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zoning for the benefit of we Anioma people. A word is enough for the wise. Ishewale.